In this video, you will learn how to take the questions from a question bank and apply them to a quiz or exam. So once you're on your quiz or your exam, you want to locate the circle with the plus button and you just want to click on it. Then once I've clicked on it, you'll get a menu choice of the different types of questions that you could add to the quiz or exam, and the choice you're looking for is reuse questions, and I'm going to click on reuse questions. This will bring up a lot of questions from previous quizzes or exams, and it'll also bring up question banks. So what I want to do is I want to go to the left-hand side and I want to scroll all the way down until I see question banks. And then what I do is the question bank I'm using, I click on the title and it'll load those questions in that bank, and I can either click select all or I can cherry pick the questions I want. If you need to open up another question bank, you can always click on the title. It'll bring those questions underneath the one that is already opened, and then I can select what I need. So then once I have all my questions, I'm going to come to the bottom right and I'm going to click on copy questions, and it'll load all the questions in here. And the last step is to just ensure that you are adjusting those point values by clicking the three dots, clicking edit, and then making those adjustments as needed or if you prefer. So this is how you apply the question bank questions to a quiz or exam. I hope this helps. Please reach out with any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.